Hello friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making a cheesy Methi corn sandwich. This recipe is really delicious and really easy to make. We are going to be using some homegrown methi, which is the star ingredient in this recipe. Methi is rich in fibre, protein and iron too. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So we will need 100 ml of milk, 6 to 8 slices of brown bread, 200 grams of corn, 4 to 5 slices of cheese, some spices like half a teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric and salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, 50 grams of mozzarella cheese, 50 grams of fenugreek leaves, 50 grams of spring onion, 1.5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 20 grams of butter, 1 teaspoon of garlic seasoning powder, and 1 teaspoon of a ginger paste.
We are going to add in our butter.
The first step of making this delicious sandwich is just adding some butter to a heated pan.
Low to medium flame.
Our pan is on a low to medium flame. Then once your butter is melted, we're going to add in our cumin seeds,
our ginger paste.
We're doing
it all around here. Spring onion.
Our spring onion, which we have nicely chopped.
Mix everything well.
And then we're just going to mix everything well.
Saute it for about a couple of minutes.
We'll saute it for around a couple of minutes.
Once your spring onion and ginger is nicely sauteed, we're going to
So
add
once
in
your
our
spring
corn.
onion and ginger is nicely sauteed, we're going to add in our corn
And our main
along
ingredient,
with our homegrown methi,
Homegrown,
which is our
nice
star
and
ingredient in this delicious
chopped and
recipe.
washed methi. You word it yourself. Okay?
We've chopped and washed it too.
Give it a mix.
Then we're
Our
just going to
flame
give
is
it a
still on low
nice
to medium.
mix. Our flame is still on low to medium.
Now we're going to add in our all-purpose
Then we'll add
flour.
in our all-purpose flour.
This is just to give a bit of a thick
This is
consistency
to nicely
our
bind it all
mixture.
together.
Mix it well.
Then we'll just mix it well.
If you like this recipe, then please don't
If you like this recipe, then please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more amazing videos just like this one.
Once your all-purpose flour is nicely mixed,
So once your
We're going to
all-purpose
add
flour
in
is
our
nicely
milk.
mixed, we're going to add in our milk.
give it another good mix.
We'll give it another good mix.
And then we're going to add in all our seasoning.
And then we're
This
going to add
garlic
in our seasoning
and all our spices.
and all our spices. This is to add a nice punch of
Mix it
flavour.
well.
You can always add in more or less chili powder.
Once you mix your spices,
So then once you've
we're going
mixed
to
in your
add in our mozzarella
spices,
cheese. This
we're
is
going to add
completely
in our
optional.
mozzarella cheese. This is totally optional, but it'll give a nice cheesy texture to it.
Then give it a good mix.
So again, we're just going to give it a good mix
So that's our sandwich
until it's
stuffing
nice and
mixture is
cheesy
ready.
like this.
You can see how nice, creamy,
So this
and
is our
cheesy it is.
filling for our
Now we're
cheesy
going
corn
to remove it in a
sandwich.
separate bowl and bring it to a little bit of room temperature.
So now we're just going to take it out into a separate bowl and bring it down to room temperature.
A sandwich filling is ready. We're going to make some sandwiches. For that,
So
we're
now
going
our
to use
sandwich
this
filling is ready. We're going to
brown
make
bread
some
with no crust.
sandwiches.
You can keep the borders if
We've
you
got
like. We've
some
just got the
brown
bread
bread,
with no crust, so no
no
borders.
crust
And then
bread.
we are going to put cheese.
You can get any breads you want and
No, this is
chop the
best.
borders off or keep them on. It's your choice.
And then put on our
Then
filling, our
after
mixture
adding on
that
our
we've
cheese
prepared earlier.
layers, we're just going to put in some of our filling, which we made earlier.
The combination of garlic, ginger, corn, methi.
The combination of garlic,
and the
ginger,
cheesy filling,
corn,
that's the best thing.
and methi is just the best flavour.
तो कहीं दे तारी थे ना बैग्स है नटाशा बैग्स कहीं बैग्स ओ यार बैग्स बदला बच्चा आशा तुम्हें कुछ कहीं बैग्स तेरी साइड में
So we'll just spread it out nice and evenly. So now we're just going to take another 2 slices of bread to make the sandwich.
Now we are going to grill them. Okay, so now
Then we're going to grill
ready
these.
here, and we've applied some
So
butter
just
on
to
top of
give
our
a
bread.
nice
Just
colour
give that a
and
nice
texture to our sandwich, we've applied a little bit of butter. So we're just going to grill this.
Okay, so it's been 2 minutes, and our
It's been
sandwiches
around
are
2
nicely
minutes,
grilled.
and as you can see they're
Now it's time for
nicely
plating.
cooked and golden brown. Now it's time for plating. If you like this recipe, then please don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing videos just like this one. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking!